Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at a few trades that we took today. And the goal is to have you learn from our successes, both our successes and our failures, so that you can become a better trader on your own. All right, so first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page here, and you can start your 100% free 7-day trial. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address, and you're going to get instant access. No payment information is required at all, and you're going to get instant access to all the member features like the live market broadcast throughout the day. It's an audio and video feed. We've got profitable trade alerts, which give you a great opportunity to profit while you learn at the same time. We also have daily webinars. The education never stops at the Trading Analyst. It's a classroom environment, and we have a professional, open, and honest chat room, as well as member videos and daily precise watch lists to prepare you for the day ahead. All right, so let's get into these trades here. And we took a trade on Priceline, and we noted going into today's session that we had Priceline trading at resistance. We had some resistance here at about 1273. Again, resistance at 1273. Rejection again at 1273. And then what we were looking for is a break of that resistance. So we were live on the morning broadcast, and we were looking for that break, and we got that break, and we got long right here at about 1275. About 10 to 12 minutes into the trading session is when we got long. We got some weekly calls on Priceline, the 1285 strike at a price of 280. We got them right here, and we took profits right here, and again up here on the second, third, and that was we sold at 380. So we got them at 280. We sold them at 380, and another lot at 480. And we were using a trailing stop on that last third, and it got hit right here on this candle right here, and we got stopped out for I believe we sold it for about 350 was that last lot that we sold it for. So we got stopped out, but it ended up continuing higher, and that was a really nice move for Priceline. So we made a really nice trade here, and the reason for the sells up here is because we were well outside of the Bollinger Bands on the 15-minute chart, and it was getting a bit extended, and that ended up being a really good decision. And it also moved about $12 in one candle, and that's a really big move for Priceline to be making in just a few minutes. So that was the reason that we took profits up there, and also because of this potential rejection candle up here, we ended up selling on this candle on that last part because of that rejection up there. Okay. Most importantly, what you want to take away from this trade is this resistance break right here. Flat top, beautiful setup here. Just a beautiful, beautiful setup. We've got a really flat top right there, and then we just cleared that resistance. This is a really easy morning trade, and that was about an 80 to 90% gain for us. Really great trade. Next, I want to cover Netflix here. And Netflix, we took a trade near the end of the day, and it was a counter trend trade, and we got long right here. there was a box building on Netflix. So we came down here, kind of a rounding bottom look here, and we were trading in this box, and then we broke out of this box. We had a 15-minute candle close above this resistance right here. And we got long on that candle right here. And we actually got stopped out just after this candle right here. I kind of made a, I made a mental error here, and I was calling it out on the live broadcast that our stop was a 15-minute close below this support, okay? It was the resistance that we broke over, and I ended up getting stopped out right around here, and my reasoning at the time was a break below the previous low of the last 15-minute candle. Pretty much most of the members actually stayed in that play because we did not get a 15-minute close below this support. It ended up bouncing pretty much right after I sold it. So that was a mental error on myself. And our members did as I said and not as I did. And thankfully that worked out for them. And our target was up here at, wait, was that, sorry? Yeah, the target was at about 87.50, and that was because of these candles right here. So the open of this candle, the close of this candle, and then the low of that candle, all around 87.50, 87.60. And so most of the members took some profits there. I think some of the members even waited until up here, and that was about 125% gain for them. So I messed up, and that was a mental error, and I put it in my trading journal as soon as it happened, and I addressed it after the close. I have to stick to my stops, because otherwise, if you don't stick to your method, you're going to lose unnecessarily, okay? And so that was about a 20% loss for me. And not only is it a 20% loss, but it's a 20% loss that should have been almost 100% gain if I would have met, honored my true stop and held into our target for those weekly calls. So hopefully you can learn from my mistake. I addressed it a bunch to our members and turned it into a teaching moment, because that's what you got to do. When you make mistakes, you have to learn from them. Okay, guys, that's all I got for the trade reviews. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage and start your 100% free 7-day trial. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address, and you're going to get instant access to all of the member-only features. No payment information is required at all. All we need is your name and your email address, and you're going to get in for 7 days for free. We'll see you over there.